For it, we do expect some winter weather impacts in our region over the next couple of days. We've been, of course, preaching patience when it comes to winter weather forecasting, and here's why. As we do expect some winter weather, but this is not going to be a major winter storm by any means for much of our area. Checking in this morning in Poplar Bluff, right now not showing any fog there, but I will tell you farther to the east, especially across southeastern Illinois, areas along and east of I-57 and I-24 right now in southern Illinois, actually dealing with some fog and some freezing fog. I just talked with one of our viewers and saying northern Jefferson County seeing a nice little layer of ice on some of the cars there. 30 degrees though in Poplar Bluff. We do have a lot of upper 20s in parts of southern Illinois and also parts of southeast Missouri. Again, winds are calm this morning to start the day. Some fog around as well. This afternoon, a lot of clouds, but we expect dry weather through this afternoon. Now we turn our attention, of course, to tonight, and a first phase of a two-phase storm system begins to make its way in from the north. And initially, this could start as some rain and then change over to snow, especially early Saturday morning across parts of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. Farther to the south in western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, there's going to be more rain on Saturday morning. But the second phase then arrives Saturday night into Sunday, and that's right near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. We do expect a band of heavier snow to occur. But again, a very tricky forecast, and one of the reasons we've been preaching some patience with trying to come up with this forecast over the last couple of days. Snow already flying this morning back into the Dakotas, parts of Minnesota and Iowa, and they expect some pretty heavy snow across parts of the upper Midwest, even into parts of northeastern Missouri and west central parts of Illinois. We may end up getting caught in the donut hole here, that snow line to the north, and then as this thing tracks to our south, we'll see another band of snow develop right along the Kentucky-Tennessee line, and much of our region may end up with very little impact from this next winter weather maker. This afternoon, we're still dry, a lot of clouds around, temperatures today into the lower 40s, but this is about 10 p.m. tonight, starting to see some light rain spread in from the north. Notice temperatures here hovering above freezing for the most part across southern Illinois. We could start to see some snow fly even closer to the midnight hour parts of Jefferson County, especially the northern part of the county there. And then after midnight, starting to gradually see snow make its way southward across parts of southern Illinois, especially into early Saturday morning. Notice these temperatures still hovering in the low to mid 30s. What that means is while we may have snow flying Saturday morning, a lot of what actually accumulates is probably going to be on elevated surfaces and probably on grassy surfaces as well, expecting just some slushy roads out there Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, the first phase begins to work its way southward, but by Saturday night, that second phase then tracking just in some of our far southern counties. A lot of dry air on the north side of this. So really, if you are in southern Illinois, most of what we're going to see as far as winter weather goes is likely to occur Saturday morning. Now, if you are in western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, you may see some more winter weather than Saturday night into Sunday morning. So again, a very complex forecast here with two different phases. Up to about 2 inches, mainly on some grassy surfaces. Once again, I think the highest chance of seeing 2 inches or so, say from about Jackson County through Franklin, Jefferson, and Perry counties. And then actually we're talking about maybe a dusting to an inch along the Ohio River. South of that Saturday night, this is the area we could see that heavier band develop, especially through the Missouri Boot Heel, northwest Tennessee. Highest chances will actually be in some of our northwest Tennessee counties to see that. But some slushy roads possible first thing Saturday morning, especially in southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. Again, Saturday night, Sunday morning near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. Still, this is a tricky forecast, so the confidence not real high on how this all plays out. As far as winter weather impacts there in the red color, that's where we expect some of those slushy roads. If you're in the yellow, chances of seeing those slushy roads probably pretty low. However, once again, northwest Tennessee, well, you guys could see quite a bit of snow. So a very tricky forecast coming up this weekend. Starts to move out by Sunday afternoon. Looking ahead to Monday, dry weather returns. We'll be back above freezing and then continuing to climb into the upper 40s on Tuesday. Another chance for some wet weather by next Wednesday, and then another big temperature drop by next Thursday. Morning lows in the teens with afternoon highs below freezing. Dave, you should have seen him 2 days ago. When that map came out with like 30 inches of snow, Dave's like, oh, wow, there's a lot of snow there. But this is why we're very patient when it comes to winter weather.
Anything that has 30s on it in the weather department makes me...
I'm with you.
It makes me paddle. All right, thanks for that, Nick.